Our pond is attracting new birds. This is a bee-eater. This is a new bird to Dashir. This is pretty cool. We have tilapia in our pond right now. We'll be eating them soon. What kind of bee-eater is it? We had the Eurasian Bee-Eater. We had the little bee-eater. And this is a new one. Beautiful bird. Guys are saying that they're just having fun by diving in the water. Are they eating? I don't know. Oh, they're beautiful. Gorgeous. Guys are working hard here. We've dug another fish pond over here, and now we're moving the soil one hand cart at a time. Salimia hapa kidogo. Salimia hapa kidogo. Say hello Canada.
Hello Canada.
How are you?
Fine.
You're fine, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Habari za nyumbani?
Nzuri.
Your family's okay?
Okay.
Habari za kazi?
Salama kabisa.
Yeah? Good. Thanks for the work. Asante kwa kazi.
Asante nao.
Aya. Another beautiful day at Dashir. Hope you're having a good one. Still working hard here. Working outside. Great way to keep going in the season. Have a nice day.